Welcome to this incredible journey of self-love and empowerment. Today, I invite you to join me in embracing our true worth and potential. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, repeat after me. I am the embodiment of confidence, radiance, and success. My presence is magnetic, and people are naturally drawn to my energy. I walk into every room knowing I belong, exuding grace, power, and undeniable charm. As we journey through this video, remember that you are worthy of admiration, love, and limitless abundance. Your beauty is captivating, your mind is brilliant, and your aura is pure gold. So beauties, let's dive in and unleash our inner greatness. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more inspiring content and affirmations. Please comment me how you feel after listening to it. Love y'all. Thank you guys.